Cooking German food is so time consuming. No, it isn't. In this video, I will show you my 6 to-go dishes when the time is not my friend. Keep in mind that the quickest option is at the end of this video. And make sure you check the description box down below for even more cooking ideas and also some time-saving tips. So at the beginning of this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite pasta dishes. It's called Krautnudeln. And no, they're not made with sauerkraut. They actually made with a fresh cabbage. So let's just start by boiling the water for the noodles. As soon as this is done, we're going to shred the cabbage. Now we're gonna fry the cabbage and also add some of the broth or water when you prefer, but I do recommend using broth because the dish otherwise would be too bland. You can season the whole thing with the caraway seeds, then add the bacon cubes and fry for at least 5 minutes. As soon as you drain the noodles, you can add them to the pan and mix, and voila! At this point your dish is ready. I personally love fried cabbage because it reminds me of the braised cabbage rolls. I really do like this fried cabbage taste. It is incredible. Of course, this dish also tastes amazing if you leave the bacon out. So the next dish we will be talking about are the jacket potatoes that are served with a Quark, so the cream cheese, and linseed oil. We are actually cooking jacket potatoes to save some time because obviously we don't need to peel them. And also, to be even quicker, you can use the pressure cooker. When the potatoes are boiling, we can make the Quark or cream cheese. I'm gonna mix it with the milk, salt and pepper in a small bowl. If you are happy with the taste and consistency, you can add the chives. For serving, you're gonna need freshly cutted onion and linseed oil. If this sounds too plain for you, you can also serve the jacket potatoes with a raw or cooked ham. The next dish that I will show you is the chicken fricasse, which is traditional for the German and French cuisine. First, we're gonna boil the rice in a small pot. Then we're gonna make a sauce. The base of the sauce is actually roux, so it's made of butter, flour, and the chicken broth. You can season it with lemon, salt, and pepper, and you can also add the cream to it. I like actually our plain version. If you don't have a cooked shredded chicken already, you can cut the chicken breast and fry it on the medium heat. After all this is done, you can combine the chicken and the sauce and serve it with a freshly cooked rice. Easy as that and made in 20 minutes. And now we will be making the specialty from northern Germany, which is the fish in Bierteig, so a beer coating. I'm gonna serve this one just with both French fries. So for this one, we're gonna need to be really quick. We're gonna put the French fries into preheated oven and we're gonna bake them for 18 minutes. In the meanwhile, we've got enough time to prepare the fish. So first we're gonna wash it, tap it dry and season with salt and pepper. The coating is very easy to make. You just need a flour, egg and a beer. In the meanwhile, you can preheat the pan and then coat the fish. That goes straight into the pan. The fish has to fry for around 5 minutes each side and it actually should be ready before the French fries are. And we're gonna serve the whole thing with a sauce tartare, and please don't forget to drink the rest of the beer that you haven't used for the coating. Here in Germany we like seasoning French fries with a special seasoning. If you wonder how to make it, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box down for you. And lastly, I'm gonna show you how to make Goethe's favorite dish, which is the Speckpfannkuchen, so the German pancake fried with bacon. So we're gonna make a dough like for the regular German pancake. And now we are taking the pan and fry the bacon for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna add the dough to the pan. You wanna make sure that you spread it very nicely. Fry the pancake from one side for at least 2 to 3 minutes, then turn. And at this point, Matthias always adds a little bit of the cheese on the top of it. This really makes the dish. This dish is actually so great and so quick that you can even make a cucumber salad as a side to it. So for the cucumber salad, you need to wash and peel the cucumber, cut it into slices, and now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite dressing recipes from Matthias' grandmother. She squeezes a juice of 1 lemon, then she adds a bit of milk, a sweetener in a liquid, salt and pepper, and then she makes it with a salad. This one is actually incredibly refreshing. There is also another version of this dish. It comes from northern Germany. They use, instead of bacon, a brown shrimp. So if you would like to have a variation with a lower fat content, I would definitely go for this one. And you can also serve it with a cucumber salad. And if you don't have the time at all, you can always make the bread soup. Or just don't cook at all. I'm sure that you can order something online. In the description box down below, I also included other cooking ideas that take 20, 25 and 30 minutes, which is also pretty quick. And I also added a link to a video where I talk about time-saving tips when cooking German food. Now you need to share with me which is your dish that you cook if you don't have a time on your sleeve. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely one. Bye!